Hey Cakenistas, it's Marisha. I'm downstairs editing, so I figured that I would show you guys my Christmas tree. I'm actually thinking of replacing, oh my goodness, you can see, I just bought this shirt because I just went to Kmart because it's the blowout sale. Because they're all closing, right? This shirt is a little bit too big, but I still think it's really kind of cute the way that I'm wearing it, and that's why there's a tag. I was just trying it on, and I didn't feel like taking it off. It's Christmas time, and of course you guys need recipes. A lot of y'all are keto and have been asking me for more keto recipes. I'm so happy about that because this is a wonderful one. This is actually the best keto cake that I've ever had. It's a Kentucky Derby butter rum cake. You can leave out the rum, you can do rum flavoring. You could use this recipe as a wonderful base and then just treat it like any vanilla cake. You can bake this in a round cake. Man, you do whatever you want because it's your world, Cakenista. I'm just here. So if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to the channel, press on the notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, Cakenistas, here are all of the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have my butter. A lot of butter goes into this recipe and it has to be softened. So once we add that to our bowl, we're also going to add our Lakanto. Now you can use Swerve, you can use erythritol, but I definitely recommend that Lakanto. It is better than you would know. I'm going to crack all of my eggs into one bowl. They are room temperature. 5 eggs go into this recipe. Yes, 5 eggs is a lot, but remember that this is also a gluten-free cake and we definitely need something to hold it together, and that's where those eggs come in. So they're necessary. If you want to, hey, try it with just 4, see if you like it. If not, go ahead and add 5 for the next time. But these ingredients are a little bit too expensive to be playing around with, so, you know. But that's up to you. It's your call. Next, I'm going to add my flours, almond flour and my coconut flour. Now, coconut flour is very drying, so just a little bit of coconut flour goes into this, and the majority of it is almond flour. I'm also going to add my baking powder and salt. Continue to mix everything together. Now I'm adding cream. I usually prefer almond milk, but in this recipe, this is such a rich and moist cake, it's kind of necessary to do cream. This is a bundt cake, so I'm going to use my bundt pan. However, if you have never baked a keto cake or a low carb cake, a cake with almond flour, they are known for sticking. I mean, it makes no sense how much they stick. So I'm buttering the pan. I'm also spraying it with nonstick spray, and I put a little bit of almond flour in there. So we're going to see how this turns out. So I'm going to put dollops of that cake batter into my pan. My oven is preheating at 350 degrees right now, and then in it goes for about 45 minutes. Once it comes out, I must say it is very gorgeous looking, nice and golden brown, and I have my butter mixture here. This is butter, more Lakanto sugar, and rum. Now this is the rum that I'm going to be using. It is rum, right? It does say rum. I don't know liquor, you guys. Is this rum? It's Bacardi. We'll just say that. I think it's rum. Yeah, so anyway. Is it vodka? Oh goodness. Whatever this is what I'm using. And it doesn't have any sugar, so you want to be careful with that. I asked the lady for rum, and this is what she gave me. Once you pour that over the cake, you're going to let that sit for about 30 minutes. I only used half of this little baby bottle. If you would like a stronger rum flavor, like something that you would get in the islands, add the whole bottle. It stuck to the pan, how peanut butter sticks to jelly. And this was for Thanksgiving, so I ended up taking the whole pan, just letting everybody take a slice from out of the pan. The last time that I made this cake, I used a non-stick cake pan, and I was able to put berries on top. Either way, I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. This is literally the best low carb cake that I've ever had in my life. When my family members tried it, they did not know that it was keto. Couture in a Kentucky Derby butter rum cake. Bye guys. I'm making chicken wings late at night. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. For more recipes like this one, thumbs this video up so that I know that you actually enjoyed it. Check out my really cute Christmas tree cake that I just did. It's like a buttercream swirly situation, swirly twirly gumdrops. If you know what movie that's from, comment that below. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, check out my other channel, Marisha Couture. I will see you guys soon. Bye, Cake Nistas.